Hello friends. In today's video we are going to talk about beautiful and timeless home decor element, flower wall art painting. Wall art plays major role in enhance the beauty of our homes and among to the old styles. Floral wall art paintings are the most popular because they bring to the freshness, positivity and elegance to any space. In this video we will know what is flower wall art painting and why it's important for home interiors and best place to use the flower wall art and popular flower painting styles and tips to choose the right flower wall art for your home. So friends, flower wall art painting differ to the artwork. It's featuring the floral designs such as roses, lotus, orchids and sunflowers or abstract florals and patterns used to decorate the interior walls. These paintings can be hand painted canvas prints, digital art prints, and 3D or texture wall arts. Flower wall art suit almost every home style, modern, traditional, minimal, or luxury interiors. So, friends, now we know importance of flower wall art painting for homes. Flower is symbolize nature, beauty, and life, and flower wall art painting a fresh and lively feel to the interiors, making this space look and more welcoming and vibrant. According to the interior psychology and Vastu principles, flower wall art painting represent positivity, growth and happiness. They help to the create calm and cheerful environment, especially in living rooms and bedrooms. And flower wall art paintings, the focal point of your room, even simple, the wall can look stylish and premium with the right floral artwork. And one of the biggest advantages of flower wall art is versatile. It can be used in living rooms, bedrooms, dining areas, puja room, office or study room. And floral paintings comes in various styles, soft, bold, colorful or minimal. This allows to the homeowners express their personality and taste through the decor. And now we know best places to use the flower wall art, like living room. A large floral canvas or three-panel flower wall art looks elegant behind the sofa or TV wall. In the bedroom, soft pastel flower paintings create the calm and relaxed atmosphere. In the dining area, bright floral art added to the warmth and energy to the dining space. Puja room lotus or soft floral paintings enhance the peace and spiritual vibe. And passage or entry area, small flower frames make the narrow space visually attractive. And popular types of flowers and wall art paintings, canvas flower paintings, modern, lightweight, and easy to maintain. Abstract floral art, these are perfect for contemporary and luxury homes. 3D flower wall art, added to the depth and premium appearance to the walls. Hand painted flower wall art, unique and artistic, ideal for the classic interiors. Some common mistake to avoid, choosing the oversized art for the small walls, very dark flowers colors in low light rooms. Ignore the wall color is a contrast, hanging art too high or too low, using too many arts on the one wall. And tips to choose the right flower wall art. Match artwork colors with the wall paint and furniture. Choose the calm shades for bedrooms and bold colors for living rooms. Prefer canvas for frames for the durability. Maintain proper height for the eye level. Avoid to the clutter one statement piece of enough. So friends, flower wall art painting is one of the simple and most effective way to beauty of your house. It's added elegant positivity charm without of heavy renovation. If you like this video, like, comment your favorite flower art style. Subscribe to home decor ideas. Thank you for watching this video.